Ever wonder if your future boss might be a robot? It's a curious thought, isn't it? And it's not as far-fetched as you might think. Artificial intelligence, or AI as we commonly know it, is rapidly making its presence felt in our everyday lives. But where did it all begin? Well, it's a love story. A love story between humans and technology. Our fascination with creating machines that think like us, or even better than us, has been around for decades. It's this love, coupled with our relentless pursuit of innovation, that gave birth to AI. Today, AI is everywhere. It's in our phones, our cars, our homes. It's helping us shop, work, play, and even find love. But what about tomorrow? Can we expect a future where AI doesn't just assist us, but leads us? So, are we heading towards a world ruled by our own digital creations? Picture this. You wake up to your alarm, which is set by your AI assistant based on your sleep pattern. You didn't set the alarm. Your AI assistant did. It analyzed your sleep pattern, calculated the optimal time for you to wake up, and gently nudged you into the world of the conscious. And this is just the beginning of your day. Let's dig a little deeper into this invisible puppet master. You know those advertisements that seem to eerily know what you've been thinking about? That's AI. It's been quietly learning about your preferences, your likes, your dislikes, and it uses this information to curate a personalized shopping experience just for you. It's like having your own personal shopper, isn't it? But remember, this shopper doesn't just know your style, it knows your life. Think about when you're texting a friend or typing an email. You start to type a sentence, and before you can finish, your device predicts what you're going to say. That's AI too. It's been observing your language patterns, your common phrases, and it's learned to predict your words. And more often than not, it gets it right. Then there's voice recognition. Ever marveled at how Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant can understand your voice commands? That's all thanks to AI's ability to analyze and interpret human speech. It's like having a personal assistant that's always listening, always ready to help. But here's the kicker. All these seemingly helpful features have a subtle effect on our behavior and decisions. They shape what we see, what we buy, what we say. We become more predictable, more streamlined, more optimized. It's like we're dancing to a tune, and AI is the invisible DJ. Who knew our friendly neighborhood AI was such a master manipulator, huh? Now let's imagine a typical workday in the future. You walk into your office and your boss, a super intelligent AI, greets you. Spooky, isn't it? But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Before we start polishing our pleasantries for our robot overlords, it's important to understand the potential impact of AI on employment. Yes, it's true that artificial intelligence and automation could displace many jobs. Think about it. Self-driving cars could replace truck drivers. Algorithms might do the work of paralegals, and who needs a barista when a robot can make the perfect latte? But don't start picturing a dystopian future just yet. Every technological revolution in history has led to job displacement, but it has also led to the creation of new jobs that we could not have imagined before. The internet, for example, made the telegram operator obsolete, but it also gave us web developers, digital marketers, and social media managers. In the same vein, AI is not just about replacing old jobs, but also about creating new ones. As AI technology advances, we'll need more AI specialists to develop and maintain these systems. We'll need ethicists to navigate the tricky moral waters of AI decision-making. And let's not forget about the new industries that AI could create. Who knows, we might all be working in virtual reality offices or have jobs managing our personal AI assistants. The key to surviving and thriving in this new world will be adaptability. We will need to learn new skills and be open to change. This might mean going back to school, taking online courses, or even learning from the AI itself. In this future, perhaps the most important skill will be the ability to work alongside artificial intelligence. Emphasizing our uniquely human skills, such as creativity, empathy, and critical thinking, will become more crucial than ever. So, will we be reporting to artificial bosses? Maybe it's time to add "works well with robots" on our resumes. We've talked about AI as a puppet master and a potential boss, but what does it all mean for us, the humble humans? Well, let's recap. We've explored the romantic notion of AI, the invisible puppet master behind our daily lives, orchestrating everything from our morning coffee to our evening commute. We've also contemplated the possibility of AI as our new boss, potentially making humans redundant in certain job sectors. The benefits of AI are substantial. Imagine a world where disease is detected early by AI algorithms, traffic accidents are avoided due to autonomous vehicles, and climate change is mitigated through smart energy systems. That's the utopian dream, isn't it? A world where AI makes our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. However, we also need to consider the potential downsides. The risk of job displacement is real. AI could replace humans in many sectors, from manufacturing to customer service. And then there's the question of privacy. With AI integrated into every part of our lives, how much of our personal data are we willing to give up? Moreover, there's the ethical conundrum. How do we ensure that AI systems are fair and unbiased? After all, these systems are only as good as the data they're trained on. If the data is biased, the AI will be too. And what happens when AI makes a mistake? Who's responsible? The creators, the users, or the AI itself? These are challenging questions, and ones that we as a society need to grapple with. The AI revolution is not just about technology, it's about people. It's about us. It's about how we navigate the delicate balance between leveraging the benefits of AI while mitigating its potential risks. So, are we heading towards a utopia run by super-intelligent AI, or a dystopian world where we're obsolete? Only time will tell. But for now, remember to be nice to your Alexa. You never know when you'll need her on your side.